Bearswiftly here, and I'm about to take you inside the Schaumburg Convention Center, where I'm going to show you this little festival/expo called Aquashella. That's right, this is for the marine and aquatic hobbyists and enthusiasts. This place has been to Orlando and Dallas before this, and it has landed in Chicago, Schaumburg. I'm going to give you the inside scoop, all right? You ready? You ready to go see some fish, some saltwater, some freshwater, some nerds who are really into fish and aquascaping? Great, let's go. Thank you.
Okay, so these glasses are special glasses. They help with the blue light, especially in like saltwater aquariums. They help with the blue light.
I mean, it's a really cool intro. Like, I feel like I'm at a music festival.
Right.
This is awesome.
This would be cool. This is super
I like how in some of these aquariums, like, they selected the fish very specifically. Yeah, the lasers are fucking cool. Seriously. Whoa, jellyfish? No way! That's awesome! Jellyfish arts? What? Dude, I want them.
That's super awesome.
It's my man Kyle. Yeah. This is Nori Boston. She's an artist that is
displaying all of her works at Aquashella. Very, very pretty, beautiful. Looks like she's got some colored pencils, some paints, everything. Really, really pretty art. Very nice. Lovely lady. Yeah, this one's speaking to me. I think I'm gonna get a little guy on that one. Alright guys, we're still at Aquashella. Awesome artwork all over. In this booth, just look at this lovely pour art that she's got going on. I'll go ahead and provide those socials for you. So this is digital artwork right here. Painstaking process, but it is beautiful. The males are the jerks. The males are the jerks. When it comes to the betas, the males are the jerks. Maybe it's because they do not like being called betas. They're like, I ain't a beta, I'm an alpha. Be the alpha Siamese fight. Here's some big boys right here, I'll tell you what. Oh! Whoa! Bearswiftly. I'm at Aquashella, and you know me, I like my artwork. So, I'm walking around, found this lovely little booth, Conscious Art. Instagram, follow them. I'm going to pick up a couple of things. We got these beautiful sets of artwork. It's real eye-popping. The color and definition is really, really good. Very reasonable prices, too. An excellent young man. We should all give him our business. Look at this big boy. Look at this big fella. Hey there, fella. How are you doing? It's a black water monitor. Wow. Wow, look at you, buddy. Look at you. And there you have it, folks. The Aquashella Aquarium Expo. I guess it's a festival. It definitely felt like a festival walking in. Beautiful art installation that really got my juices flowing, man. It was touching me in all the right ways without even touching me, because you need consent for that. Well, thanks for joining me for this episode of Bear Swiftly Does Cool Shit. Until next time, keep those scissor kicks coming, samurai. Bear Swiftly, signing off.